Hello and welcome to UC Santa Cruz. My name is Lacey and I'm the Director of International Services. We're excited that you're considering UC Santa Cruz for your academic journey. International students are a vital part of our community and you'll find many ways to connect and feel right at home. The International Student Services and Programming, or ISSP, are here to support you from the moment you're admitted all the way through graduation and beyond. We provide guidance on visas and immigration, obtaining and maintaining your status, travel, as well as employment opportunities, such as internships and optional practical training. Speaking of which, did you know our international students and alumni have worked at big-name companies such as Amazon, Google, Adobe, even national labs, startup companies, and the California Marine Sanctuary? ISSP also offers orientations, cultural events, workshops, and advising to help you transition smoothly to your life here at UC Santa Cruz. Your safety, well-being, and sense of belonging matter to us. UC Santa Cruz is committed to inclusivity and providing a supportive, welcoming environment to students from around the world. ISSP is located in the Classroom Unit building on UCSC's main campus right next to Quarry Plaza. Our team is always happy to connect with you, whether in person or virtually. We can't wait to welcome you to UC Santa Cruz and support you throughout your time here. We hope to see you on campus soon.